In this lesson, I will explain to you about negative index. Using a negative index. So here I have written some information. First I will read and then I will explain to you. First character in a string is index 0, which we have discussed in our last lesson. Last character in a string is index -1. Now what is the meaning of this? We can address individual characters in a string from the last character counting backwards using a negative index address. Access the end of the negative string using -1. Strings assign an index number addresses to each string character. So see here I have make a simple example. Student underscore name is my variable, which is initialized by the name Kulsum, and Kulsum is a string. That is why I have written in double quotation. And here I have written some comment that access the last character with the -1 index. Negative index counts back from the last character in a string. See, as we have discussed in our last lesson, that we used to count our index from left to right, and always you have to start from 0. If you will count from left to right, it should count 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. But negative index means if you want to count from right to left, so the last letter or the last character will be -1. You do not have to count from 0, 1, 2 if you are counting backward from right to left. Left to right, this is the rule, you have to start from 0, but right to left -1. So here if you want to retrieve -1, the last m, so it should be -1. When I will run it, you will see m. In Kulsum, the last letter is m. Right? But if I want to count from left to right and I want to retrieve m, so it should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I will write down +6 here and run it, you will see the same output, m is there. Right? If I want to retrieve this s, counting from right to left, so it will be -1, -2, -3, -4. So here I have to write down -4 in order to get this s. But if I want to count from left to right, the same letter S, but what index I have to use, you have to start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. If I will write down 3, output will be same S. Right? So okay, now move to the second example. Here I have made one variable student underscore name, which is initialized by Fahim, and here I have made another variable and underscore letter, which is initialized by student underscore name, this variable, and -1. -1 means the last character we want. And how I want to print this time? Print student name. There are some variables, some literals. So if you are using variable name, there is no need to put quotation. These are the strings or literals, so definitely you have to put single quotation or double quotation. When I will run it, you will see the output is based on our print statement. Student name Fahim ends with M and letter is M. And why? What is the meaning of this? We have discussed this already in our last course. These are for the space. So here is the C same. I will show you. Okay, I will show to here in the next example. This is continue. Here I want to get second letter, get second to the last letter of the same name Fahim. So see, second last is E. And here I have made one more variable, second underscore last underscore letter, which is initialized by -2. So how I want to print this time? Student name, this is the variable, this is literals, that is why in quotation these are the concatenations operations. We are adding these two by using some space, and when I will run this, you will get Fahim has second to last letter of E, second last letter, which is initialized by student name minus 2, which is E. In this way, you can make your own small programming and you will learn a lot. Right here, if I want in Fahim, if I want this H, by using both positive and negative. Positive means when we count from left to right. So it is 0, 1, 2. But if I want to count from right to left, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So negative 4 and positive 2 will give the same output, that is H. So in this example, I have written same comment. You can get to the same letter with the index counting positive or negative. So print, there are 3 print statements for student name. These all are linked together. All examples are linked together. So how output will be if I will run it? So you will see this is the first for Fahim, index 2 which is H, index minus 4 which is equal to H. Both are same. This is for the negative index, this is the positive index. Simple, right? And here, as I have told you earlier, that this is for the space. If we do not want any space here, so see, I have deleted here. Everything is same, but I have deleted. In the above example, if you want to add something here, yes, you can add by the same way, but if you do not, we can remove this or delete this, but you will get the same output. Same here, these I am going to delete. I have made these different examples only to show you that how you can write down your programming, because after this course we will start programming and it will really help you. I hope this is clear. It was so easy, negative index. So as usual, I have made some practice problem here for you. So assign, here you have to pause the video and practice it. Assign a string 6 or more letters to a long variable student underscore name, and then you have to retrieve third last character. And then you have to make another variable first underscore name and print first and the last letter by using both ways, positive and negative. In this way you will learn more. So there is no hint, I just explained to you whatever. Same scenario is here, but for this one I will give you hint. Fix the errors. Book name is Seven Sisters. Print the last letter. Just you have to write down this part on your Jupyter notebook, run it, and whatever is the error, please try to fix it one time. If it is not fixed, try another way. Try another way. At the end, you can tally your answer and see what is the error here. Here I have used this parenthesis, but in index you have to use the square bracket and then you will get the output. I hope it is clear. Please practice it. See you in the next lesson and thank you.